So here it is ninth first number I am discussing here, ABO. It is given ABO is a wooden wrap where B is a 90 degree and AB is for 75 centimeter, 75 meter, centimeter or meter it is meter, excuse me, it is meter not centimeter, 75 meter, and BO is 10 meter. Okay, so this is given to us and we have to find OA, that is hypotenuse. You know how to find this. We go with the same formula by Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, this by Pythagoras theorem. So AB square, what is AB square? AB is 7.5, so 7.5 centimeter, sorry 7.5 square plus 10 square, isn't it? B square is 10 meter. Okay, B square is 10 meter, BO is 10 meter and AB is 7.5. So let's write here 7.5 into 7.5 plus 10 into 10. So here we have to multiply, no choice in rough work. We multiply here 75 here, 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 plus 5 7 30, 35 plus 2 37, 7 5 35, 5 35, then carry over 3. Okay, carry over 3, 7 7 49 and 3 52, 5 12 1 6 5 5 6 2 5. Okay, so like this we have to go, and there are two decimals, then after 2.2 there are two decimals, then after 2 digit we put the decimal here, plus it is 100, so it become 156.25, isn't it? So it become 15625 by 100. Okay, because when we remove this we get 100 here. Okay, now we have to find the prime factorization of 15625. Okay, so it is divisible 2, no, it is divisible 3 or not, we find it. 10 8 9 90 is not divisible by 3, then go with 5. When we go with 5 it is 3 1 12, it is by 2 times 5 times, then again by 5 6 2 and 5, then again by 5. It is going on here, it is 1 2 5, then again by 5 2 and 5 5 5. So it is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, it is by 100. Okay, so 100 is 10 into 10, isn't it? So what do we get here? This is AO square. Okay, AO, how much we get when we make pair here? 5 into 5 into 5 by 10, that is 25 into 5 by 10 is 125 by 10, it is 12.5 meter. Okay, this is the length of the ramp, the length of that wooden ramp. Number 2, you read this question very carefully, that in number 2 the ramp is turned and around and placed against the another wall opposite the front side. The new position the top of the ramp is 10 centimeter. Okay, now top of the ramp is 10 centimeter, the same ramp we are using. Okay, then this becomes the hypotenuse and this becomes the second side. Then this is a 12.5 centimeter, isn't it? Then this is the 7.5 centimeter. Okay, that's why I write it. Since the length of ramp is hypotenuse, which is AO, AO is equals to how much? 12.5 meter. That's why AB is equal to 7.5 meter. So in the second part we don't need to calculate anything, we have to write only we have to make figure and show the thing. Okay, now in 10 number there are two windows, window number 1 and window number 2. We put a ladder from the ground which is 8.5 centimeter so 8.5 meter, which is these two are the length are equal because same ladder we are using. So in this case the height of the window from the ground or the foot is 7.5 and this in this 4 meter. Okay, and we have to find the this length. Okay, this two length. So let we see how to find. So what I do, I don't write anything because all the thing is given in the book itself. You read the question. I have explained the question, what is question given to us and what I have to find. We have to find the distance between these two. Okay, F1 and F2. First we find F1 and F1G and F2G. Then we find F2G and then we add these two. We get the distance between these two wall. So here in this triangle W1 F1G W1G W1G square equals to F1 W1 F1 square plus F1G square. So we put the values here. What are the values? 8.5 square, 7.5 square one, and plus F1G square. So we have to find F1G square, that is 8.5 square. We move this one to this side, 7.5 square. Okay, so here it is 8.5 into 8.5 minus 7.5 into 7.5. So it is 8.5 into 8.5, 5 5 is 25, carry over 2, 5 5 25, carry over 2. Okay, it 40, 40 plus 2, 42, then 5 5 is 40, carry over 4, 4 4 is 8 8 is 64 plus 4 68, 5 2 12 1 7, 7 2 2 5. After 2 digit we put the decimal, minus 75 into 75 we have found in the next question, that is 56.25, I think it is. Yeah. So here you have to show this one here also. Okay, because in exam you have to solve every point. Because of the less of plenty of time, I don't multiply this one again. So when you subtract these two, how much you get? 0 0 6 and it is 1. So F1 G square is 16. So F1 G square equals to 4 into 4, isn't it? We can write. So F1 G is 4 meter. Okay, now we have found F1G, we have to find F2G also. So we go with the next triangle, that is in right triangle, that is right angle triangle, right angle triangle W2 F2G. So here WTG square equals to W2 F2G square F2 square plus G F2 square. So we are given with here, what are the values here? W2G value is it is 8.5 and here it is 4 centimeter, sorry 4 square, and we have to find this. Since W1G equals to W2G, they are equal. Okay, that's why the value is 8.5. It is not given to us, they are equal, we are understood. So GF2 square equals to 8.5 square minus 4 square. 8.5 into 8.5 square minus, it is 4 into 4, that is 16. So I not we write here square. So here how much we get here in the second question, it is 7 52.25 minus 16. So how much you get here? 56.25. Okay. That is f2g square. Now 5625 by 100 f2 square. Now I want to write in the prime factorization of this number. It's not divisible. It is not divisible by what you call 2. No, it is divisible by 5 or not? Yeah, 3 or not? Yeah, it is divisible. 1 time is 26. I think it is go 24 8 time, 22 7 time, 3 time. Sorry, 5 time, not 3 time, 5 time. Again, it is divisible by. It is divisible by. It is divisible by 3 or not? Yeah, it is divisible. 3 6 time, 1 time. Sorry, 2 time and no, it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 3. Now we go with 5. 5 1 time, 2 time, 5 time. 5 2 5 5 5. So it is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then it is 10 into 10. So we get the value here 3 into 5 into 5 by 10. Sorry, not we write here. When we remove the square, then we choose any one from the pair. Okay. So 3 into 5 into 5 by 10. 15 into 5 by 10. It is 75 by 10. That is 7.5 meter. Now distance between two walls equals to FGF2 or F1G, that is 7.5 meter plus 4 meter, that is how much it is? 11.5 meter. This is the answer. So like this you have to solve. Now question number 11. Read question number 11 first. Two poles, height of this much and this much, stand upright to the ground. The distance between them being is 18 meter. Find the length of a wire stretched from the top of one pole to the top of the another pole. We have to find distance or length of a wire which is stretched between the two pole from the upside. So first of all, we make two poles like this. It is one pole, second pole is like this, and this one is the distance. The first pole is how much? It is 15 centimeter, I think. Sorry, 15 meter. Second one is 7.5 meter, and distance between them is 8 meter. And we have to find this length.